My name is Michael Pruett, and I'm certainly happy to be a part of the CDA's Implant Study Club 2023. And what we're going to try to do this year is do a kind of a hybrid thing. We are going to try to do a combination of virtual lectures. And then what we're going to do is by getting you through a couple of the virtual courses and getting some of the much needed prerequisite information, then we'll have you guys, in person, live, doing some hands-on things at both the spring and the fall meeting. So as we get to, I think it's Anaheim first, we'll actually do everything with models on how to place implants. We'll go into, really in depth with things. We actually will have the opportunity to do a suturing laboratory where we'll get you back up to speed with some of the things maybe you've forgotten since dental school. But the suturing thing always tends to be a lot of fun with the participants that we do this with. Then what we'll do is, when you leave that session, our goal is for you guys to actually have enough confidence that following that session, we can answer your questions on a virtual meeting. We'll have a one-on-one, basically virtual meeting with each of you individually. So I'll be talking to you each. We'll sit down with you. We'll try to actually go through several of your cases, pick out a really good case that we think is straightforward. And for those of you who would like to try to do a case, I will be there to help you with it. So that's kind of what we want to do that virtually. Then what our plan is to have you back in the fall. In the fall, we'll go over a variety of different complications, complication lectures. We'll talk about how to manage those things, and we'll also really focus on the restorative aspect of dealing with implant dentistry. Now, this is an opportunity for any of you that have desired to place implants and restore implants in your office. If you haven't done that and had that one-on-one opportunity to learn, this is your chance. So guys, come see us in Anaheim and in San Jose. We look forward to spending some time with you and hope we can help you accomplish what you set out to do in implant dentistry with the CDA Implant Study Club.